we can beat them forever and ever. Yeah, we can be heroes just for one day. Welcome back. Today's song lesson is Heroes by David Bowie. It's a brilliant, simple, easy song to play. I'm going to show you a couple of little things to kind of copy parts of the bass line as well to make it sound a little bit fuller. But it's all on one guitar, it's all open chords. Download your chart, let's get started. We are doing all down strums in this song. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Pick or fingers, it does not matter. All down strums, and it gives you that really straight ahead rock sound that this song has so well. We are in the key of D, and we start with a D. But in order to get this little bass riff coming through, we do our D, I do my D, with these two fingers, which kind of makes it a D sus2, but we're not strumming this high E string, so it still sounds pretty much like a D or a D power chord. And that lets us keep this first finger free to play this bass line. Now, the only tricky part about this is that you want to strum from the D string down until you hit this note on the A string. So you're going for the first two eighth notes, first two strums, then you include the A string with your strum for two strums, and then you go back to missing the A string and just strumming from the D string. If you don't hit it precisely, it doesn't matter. If you're still playing these notes, it's still going to sound pretty close to the thing. Go to a G. Just follow that little line up from 2, 3, 4, and you can either go to the 5 on the A string or the open D string, either way. And that little, so easy to incorporate in your G chord there. That's the bass line taken care of. And you can do that kind of as frequently or as often as you want throughout the song, but really where you hear it is in that intro, and any parts that aren't really full of vocals, you can add that in there, or like I said, add it in all the time. There are your verses. The change is brilliant, goes to C. Nothing could keep us together. First time through in this chorus, it goes to A minor. Oh, we can beat them. E minor. Forever and ever. Back to D. Second time through, we go to C. 'Cause we can be heroes. G. Just for one day. So once we go through that verse, it hits the repeat sign. It takes you back to the very start. If you're listening to a remastered version of this, you might find the order of the lyrics are slightly different, and you'll also find that in between verses 1 and 2, they don't go right back to the intro. It just goes straight from the end of verse 1 into verse 2. But on this chart and on the original recording, we go through the intro again, through the second verse again, and then we go into verse 3. Now verse 3 is a little bit different. It's a double verse, so you're just going D for 2 bars. I remember, I can't remember, standing, and does that line twice through for the third verse. Then off into the chorus we go again, and then after the chorus we're into this outro, which is basically just like the verse. It's D to G, D to G, and he's singing the outro. That's all there is to it. It's a fantastic song. It's brilliant. It's simple. It's easy. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. See you here again soon.